supermodel.
My name is Nilly. This is Nilly Network. Today I'm going to show you the tour of my room. I am stationed at Fort Hood, Texas, and today I'm going to keep it short and simple. Okay, let's get into it. What's up? How y'all doing? This is my room, and you see this is a two-person dorm room right here. And I'm going to do a quick tour of the whole room. Now over here we have the kitchen area. The kitchen area has, refrigerator, a microwave, and a stove. A stove, some rooms don't have a stove in it, but luckily I do. And over here we have the sink. So enough of the kitchen area, let's get into the bathroom. And over here in the bathroom we have a sink and a mirror. The mirror is open, as you see. We have a toilet and we have a shower. Some showers in the dorms are like stand-up showers, but luckily we have a tub. Bathroom. Now let's get into the closet. Over here in the closet, we have a walk-in closet. There's not that much space, but hey, the spaces. The closet's kind of junky because we have clothes and some of my military gear in here. And as you see, not that much room, as I said. Enough of this. And over here, down to the nitty-gritty, we have, the big space of the room. We have my area over here, where I have my big desk, my little desk. And over here, we have my desk where I will edit some of my videos on my laptop. And as you see, it opens. And I like to say to my roommate's side over here, it's not much, but it is what it is. And that concludes the video. It's short and it's simple. Having any comments, just put the comments below. I want you to say like, subscribe to my video. And also, I want you to do the same to my friend video, 50K Dude. Like, subscribe to his channel too. And that's it. Peace.
Yeah, you supermodel. Then it wasn't at the bottom.